Hello Achievers, welcome you all to our new channel Strategy Sangamam in the first segment of Manage the World of Management. Hope you all doing good, and today we are going to have a very quick and basic introduction about management. Before that, I want to assure you one thing. In our videos and upcoming sessions, we are not going to have a deep discussion like how we are taking classes in schools and colleges for the students. Very general and very comfortable discussions we will have about the concept of management randomly. So, from now, we are gonna travel our world of management in a very easy, unique and effective way to understand the concept with easy and live examples. You may wonder why I used the word proud in the introduction video frequently. There is a reason behind. Yes, proud is the result or the outcome of motivation. No motivation, no human being. So, today I am going to share my experience how motivation plays a predominant role in my career as well as my personal life. In fact, I can say each and every person in the world is waiting to have a magical energy called motivation, because motivation is such a powerful thing everyone needed. My parents and sisters motivates me a lot. That's why I can able to do so many things and I make them feel proud all the time. Likewise, my husband is motivating me in plenty of situations. So that boosts me more to do more and more. And that's why I am here in front of you all with the new startup of our new channel, Strategy Sangamam. So definitely I will make him feel proud. And of course, all my beloved teachers, my dear students, my family members, my relatives and many other people who is around me is supporting me in many ways and motivating me to help and do so many things. So now you may realize the importance of motivation and the motivators behind you for all your successful personal and professional life. And why to talk about motivation suddenly? You may think, yes, motivation is one of the very wonderful concept comes under management. So while taking a session, motivation was the first thing comes to my mind to make and to create the session as a very motivating and a positive one. Few of our upcoming videos, we are going to talk about the various aspects of motivation. So, before coming to the end of our today's video, let's have a quick view and idea about management. Come on, let's move on to it. Okay, what is management? Today, we are going to see the management in a general view. We are not going to have a complete or a set definition of what is management like the organization point of view. So before that, I will tell you a simple and a popular saying about management. Management is an art of getting work done by people, a way of handling it. So, if you want to know the characteristics of someone or about something, you will have to go through so many things. So just like that, if you want to know about management, we need to be very clear with some of its characteristics. So that is common to organization, as well as if you are interested to implement it in the general or your personal life, management is about all these characteristics. So let's see one by one to have a clear idea of what management is. The first one is art. I already told you in the sayings, management is an art and science. So if we are talking about the art, what does mean by art? A performance. So just like that, management and its concepts is like an art, a performing art. If you are performing something, that will give you a reflection or a result. So that's why we are telling management is an art. And coming to the next, management is like science. Why you are saying both art as well as science? Yes, the management is the inclusive of both the concepts. What is science? The practical thing, the experimenting thing. So just like that, there are plenty of management concepts that you need to make it as a practical one. You have to experiment it to get a result out of it, like how you are getting benefit of implementing the management concept. You will get to know in your future videos. And the next is Leadership and decision making. We all know in general what is leadership and decision making. We can tell it in organization point of view as well as from individual humans point of view. So, if you are working in an organization as a manager, definitely you will play a low role of a leader. And likewise, you will be in a position to take so many decisions. So, it is the collective of things comes under management. In another view, if you are just an individual who is inside the home even, you need to be a good leader by yourself, as well as you have to take good decisions in so many situations. So, obviously, the leadership and decision making comes under management. And the next one is the functions. There are various functions that is including in the concept of management. So that is collectively called post-corp. So this post-corp will be seen in a detailed manner in our next or maybe in future videos. You will be implementing these things and you might implement already without knowing what is post-corp in both organization as well as your personal life. And the last but not the least, the very important thing, that is the WH question. What is WH question? Why, what, when, where, which and how. So, management is inclusive of all these things. It means why management, what is management, when management is required and where it is implementing, which concepts you will need to implement according to your situation and how, the way you are going to implement it. So this is all the collective thing of WH question and characteristics of management. Let's see some example which is relevant to organization point of view and from individual point of view. Take an example. If you are a proprietor of a concern, you are the only person taking all the managerial responsibilities of your organization. Just an incident. You just imagine, definitely you have to go through all these characters. So, you have to perform something, you need to experiment something, you should be a good leader and have to take a decision, and it is inclusive of so many functions and it covers all the WH questions. So, just like that. So, this is for the organization point of view. And example 2 is about the woman in a home, a housewife. Doing a housewife job is not an easiest one. You also undergone all these things. Take an example, someone might ask you, how you are handling your kids, your family and all the other things. You might answer everything without knowing these concepts. So of course, management is everywhere. So you may perform so many things for your family, you experiment many things, and you played a role of a leader as well as you took so many good decisions for the wellness of your family. And all these functions and the WH questions without knowing this. So management is everywhere and it plays a role every time. Dear friends, hope you got a good clarity about management. Just like how we are showing interest to learn the basic laws, the medical field and some of the technologies what we are using now. Just like the same, the management is one of the important skill we need to know for easy and quick survival of our life. And only important thing which is required to know the management is your interest. If you are really interested, you could do as much as you can and you will achieve what you have dreamed. So, learning management will help in various ways like self-improvisation, skills development, career growth and personality development and so many things. So hopefully we will satisfy you with all your management related queries in our upcoming videos. Let's see each and everything in a very comfortable way. Okay achievers, hope you like this video. So like and subscribe our channel Strategy Sangamam and share it with your friends. Don't forget to mention in the comment box about the motivators behind you, and the success which you attain through them. Right? Manage the management and the management will manage you. Thank you for watching and meet you all soon in our next video in English and Tamil.